Hello everyone, welcome to Figure It with Zainab and you're watching the Superfoodie. So the superfood that I will be talking about today is the king of antioxidant foods, that is your blueberries. Blueberries are packed with fiber and vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, B6, potassium and folate. The absence of cholesterol from blueberries is beneficial and protective to the heart health. The fiber content in the blueberries works to reduce elevated levels of blood cholesterol and also decrease the risk of heart disease. Blueberries overall are packed with nutrients and are low in their caloric content. Blueberries contain antioxidants which neutralize the action of free radicals which are linked to the development of cancer, cardiovascular disease and age-related conditions. In short, this powerhouse provides tasty ways of staying healthy. There are different ways to add blueberries to your diet, where frozen blueberries can be added to breakfast shakes and smoothies. They also can be added to cold breakfast cereals and yogurts. You can also combine them with several other ingredients such as granola bars, to fresh fruits like peaches, quick crisps and even your quinoa cereal. But the best way to eat them is raw, plain as such. Now let me share a recipe with you that you can make with this healthy ingredient, that is a blueberry quinoa bowl. The ingredients for this recipe include, first for the dressing you need to include 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of lemon rind, a pinch of kosher salt and black salt. You also need to include 1 cup of the arugula leaves, half cup of cooked quinoa, half cup of fresh blueberries and 1 ounce of goat cheese which needs to be crumbled for garnish. The method of preparation for this recipe would first to make the dressing, that is combine the lemon juice, the lemon rind, the olive oil, the kosher salt and the black salt together and whisk it well. Now place the arugula leaves in a medium bowl and drizzle a part of the dressing to it and mix it well. Take the quinoa and the blueberries in a separate bowl and add the remaining part of the dressing to it and mix it well. Now add this mixture to the bowl of arugula leaves and toss it well to combine. This needs to be garnished with the crumbled goat cheese and your breakfast bowl is ready. Serving size is about 1 medium bowl. And that's all for today's episode. If you liked watching today's episode, do like, share and subscribe the channel and continue to follow my Foodventures.